As far as the freedom movement is concerned, after the Gandhi-Irwin Pact of 4th of March 1931 till 1947, with an exception of 1942 for 17 years, can you quote a single movement taken by Congress? There was no freedom movement at all. From 1933, 34, 35, 36, 38, 39, rather than they joined the Congress government in 1937 Provincial Assemblies election, 1941 Provincial Assemblies election, and moreover this, sir, I would... अरे भाई चलने दीजिए. और not only this, and moreover, RSS was just 6 years of old. Yes, the question is asked to us because our forefathers were RSS. But who were the forefathers of Congress? Ellen Octavian Hume, the secretary of the British government, and for first 25 years, the various presidents of the Congress party were William Wedderburn, Alfred Robe, George Yule. Even till 1910, the president of Congress was William Wedderburn, secretary of the British government, when Savarkar got 2 lives of imprisonment. Sahab, kya badhiya. And name a single Congress leader who has been fired at the highest level, like the president, which you are comparing with Savarkar.
I think just if you illuminate the young man, that do you buy into the idea that RSS was a little bit aloof from the movement? You said there was no movement.
No, there was no movement after 6 years from RSS, with an exception of 1942. नहीं तो बता दीजिएगा ना. All historians are बैठे. They tell me 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, nothing, and not even a single leader. Sir, let me complete.
Wait. No.
अरे सुनिए sir, when you compare with Savarkar's Kala Pani, can you name a single Congress level national president level leader who has been to Kalapani? No. Who has been, who has faced the bullet? No. Who has been...
Hello. Out of 598 people in Kalapani between 1908 and 1938, 68% were from Bengal. You let them...
I think as a matter of as a matter of fact, you are absolutely.
I think there was no freedom movement.
No, wait a minute.
There was no freedom movement.
Prove me wrong. And give the dates of 30 to 47.
Give us a minute, please.
No.
I think.
Can I complete?
As
there was
you will.
So I should be
your point was taken. There were 298. Yeah, fair enough. Please.
I apologize. I had no point. There was no freedom movement. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. There was no point. There was no freedom movement. We are in absolute error. We mend our ways. Sorry.
Please,
Since
I request.
47
please finish.
There was civil disobedience
You please finish,
movement and Quit India movement. I can't believe they've completely wiped away that history.
Ruchika, please let him finish. You had your time. Let him. Please, sir.
And the only movement quoted was civil disobedience, Savinay Avagya. And they were fighting the freedom fight. Civil disobedience is freedom fight. And those who are fighting, facing the bullets, it was not the freedom fight. तो मैं लास्ट में सिर्फ ये कहना, और अगर मुझे गलत साबित करना है तो डेट्स बता दीजिएगा, बट लास्ट में मैं कहना चाहूंगा, जो फांसी चढ़े नहीं, जो गोली खाए नहीं, जो काला पानी गए नहीं, लाला लाजपत राय के अलावा किसी को लाठियां भी नहीं पड़ी, उस लेवल पे उन्हीं को सारा क्रेडिट मिल गया. जिसे एक लाइन में कहूंगा कि नौरंगिए सियासते दौरा तो देखिए कि मंजिल मिली उन्हीं को जो शरीके सफर न थे.
Well, we take your point of view. I think